Welcome back to another video. So I am back with a breast cancer awareness month look. Y'all look at this ribbon. Girl, I don't know how in the world I did that, but I did. But for today's video, I did use the new makeup artistry palette from Fearless Faces. Make sure you guys continue to watch to see how I drew this ribbon on my eye with some gel eyeliner or some cream. Either way, it wasn't liquid, it wasn't a pen, so I really struggled a little bit, but just keep watching. So I am priming with the Too Faced Born This Way Multi Sculpting Concealer in the shade Mocha. Yeah, we finna have fun though. We finna do some breast cancer looks and then we finna hop into Halloween. So I'm taking the Fearless Faces Makeup Artistry palette and I'm taking the pink shade out of here. I'm packing that into my crease using the E17, as you guys should already know. There is a light pink in this palette, but it's not matte. It is a shimmer, so I'm gonna go into the Fearless Faces Divine Diamond palette. I'm taking this pink right here and I'm gonna use that to blend this one out. I'm taking this really dark pink and I'm using that one to deepen my crease. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and cut my crease. I'm gonna wipe this off with a makeup remover wipe. I don't know if y'all saw my other video, my fall look, but I did the exact same thing in that video where I had to wipe this off and then recut it so the crease is like a nice crisp white color and not a mixture of the colors I used. So yeah, I'm gonna do that really quick. Now I'm gonna come back and cut it and then we're gonna go ahead and complete the eye. It's lucky kind of hard to get close to your eyelid, so you might want to use a Q-tip if you have some. I don't have any, but so I'm gonna go ahead and cut it again. That's as close as I can get for real, because I really don't want to mess it up. Taking this color again from the Fearless Faces Divine Diamond palette. So this is the pigment I'm using. If y'all can even see, I'm gonna use that. So I'm gonna just take it and pack it all over my lid. But to draw my ribbon, I just took some e.l.f. eyeliner, some gel eyeliner, and I have an eyeliner brush. And to get it like this, like really sharp and pointy and like kind of stiff, I put some lash glue in my finger, and then I just kind of did like that and formed it so it can be a little bit more pointy. So I'm gonna just scoop some of this out actually and just put it on my hand, so I have to keep dipping back into here. So I'm just very lightly trace it out first. Y'all took a lot for me to clean it up, so y'all just gonna have to watch me do it. This is like another eyeliner brush. It came with a Kiss eyeliner that I had, and I just took some concealer that I used to cut my crease or foundation, and I literally just filled in the bow or the ribbon, and that kind of helped me sculpt it out somewhere too. I just did the same thing with this brush. I put some lash glue in my hand and pinched it so it's really flat so I can really get in there. So I extended it a little bit too. I'm gonna go back and outline it with black. Not really sure what type of brush this is, but I'm going back into the Divine Diamond, and I'm using that color right here, and we're gonna fill in the ribbon. Taking the NYX liquid liner, and I'm going to add my dots along my crease. Yeah, so I'm taking this very small brush. It's an E36, the darkest pink again from the Divine Diamond, and I'm smoking it out in my waterline. I'm going to take this Ultra Strobe Balm by Revolution. It has a pink, you probably can't see, it has like a pink, yeah, there we go. So I'm going to be putting that on my face. I'm going to top that off with some of this highlighter from Glow Glitters in the shade Stardust, and it is a pink highlighter. Taking this mauve lip liner from NYX. This shade, you can kind of see it, but not really. Do y'all think it's too much pink? Because I do. I'm going to do a little bit of this. This one is in the shade Tiramisu. Is that how you say it? It's the NYX Intense Glitter Gloss. Like this. Y'all see what I went through to get this look. Look at all these failed attempts at this ribbon. Alright, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys give me a thumbs up, and make sure you are subscribed to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next one.